Now question number 17. The different types of movable joints. Name the different types of movable joints with example. Actually, movable joints are divided into 4 types: hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint. Hinge joint, example knee and elbow, we can move this joint in one direction only, like the hinge of our doors and windows. Then pivot joint, example joint between skull and backbone. You just go to the diagram where is skull and where is backbone. Just from the back side of the skull, backbone comes out. So this it is the type of the joint is pivot joint. Then gliding joint, example wrist and ankle. Then ball and socket joint, we can move this joint in all directions. For example, it's a very good example of ball and socket joint is shoulder joint. Now the next question, that is question number 18. How can we keep our bones healthy? We can keep our bones healthy by maintaining proper diet which contains food rich in calcium. That means food containing calcium, vitamin D and protein. That means whatever food we are taking, it should be rich with, or it should contain vitamin D, protein and calcium. And with this diet we have to do regular exercise which helps in keeping our bones healthy also. Then what is posture? Posture is the correct way of sitting, walking and standing. For example, when we are standing, we should stand straight. When we are walking, we should walk straight. When we are sitting, we should sit straight. That means the backbone should be kept straight. These are the correct way of sitting, walking and standing, and which is called posture. So I have completed the chapter. Now I am giving some homework questions to you. Very easy questions. You can get the answer from here or from the book also. You must solve the same at your home. Number 1, how many bones are there in a human adult skeleton? You know that it is 206 bones. What is cartilage? It is given very nicely in the book. Where is it found in human body? I told already: external ear, nose, teeth, etc. Then what are the different parts of the skeleton system? You know the answer. What is a joint? You know the answer. You can write on your own. Name any 2 freely movable joints in human body. This answer also you can write on your own. Write the functions of skull, ribcage and backbone. It is given here. You can write from here or from book also. And one drawing is given. That is, you have to draw the upper and lower limbs in human body. That means hands and legs. You have to draw one diagram and label the following parts. That is femur. Femur is the upper part of our leg. Humerus, upper part of our hands. Tibia, radius, fibula and ulna. You know all these things. You have to label all these diagrams. Now I think you will prepare the chapter very nicely. So next time we will start the next chapter. Before starting the next chapter, I will give you questions. That is monthly test. Second test questions will be given to you, and hope you have solved monthly test 1 question paper, and you will get very soon, you will get monthly test 2 question paper, and you have to solve the same at home.